But if I grab him, the first thing is, if I'm really that much bigger and he's really that worried, the first thing he does is he ties out, wham, thumbs in my eyes. Maybe that doesn't finish me, so I take his eyes, wham, I take that. That doesn't finish him, well then there's the proper way to headbutt. It's not using the front of the head, it's using the top of the head. Because the front of the head, if he has a natural self-preservation into the duct, boom, I eat that.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter-strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So what we do is we take our hands, we pop the head. Okay, we're not gentle in here, we don't take this and move around. We take our hands any way you want, boom, the head comes up. Once that head comes up, we're going to take the top of our head, and we're going to slam it into his face. But that's not enough. Because then what we're going to do, I don't care how small you are, you can be grabbing any part of this, but notice what happens when I pull him? His chin comes up. So what we're going to do is using our lat muscles and every part of our body, is once we get here, boom, we take those eyes, is we're going to pop, bang! We're going to hit him like that. And I don't care if you're 100 pounds, you're going to drop it right, boom, you're going to pull that. And what you're going to do is you're going to put, boom, you're going to put that in between it. Now you've got two 18-wheelers going bam. Okay? And after you hit his eyes and you take him in the head, if that still isn't working, you're going to lift your foot, take the tip of your knee, and boom, you're going to drive that into his balls. And if he happens to turn a little bit to protect his balls, bam, you're going to hit him right in the quad. If he wants to go a little more, it's the sciatic nerve. Okay? And once all that's gone, we still want to do it, then we're going to break out the elbow. And the elbow is a tool that rips. This is like taking a ball-peen hammer and raking it across somebody's face. Okay, you're not going to take the elbow and you're not going to do this. You're not going to smash him here because there's too much knee here. I'm not saying this wouldn't hurt, but that's how most people teach you to elbow. It's a hack. It's a push. Okay, what we're going to do, just turn this so everybody can see it, is we're going to take the very tip of the elbow and we're going to rake it across his face. Okay, and what's going to happen is when you rake somebody with that elbow, you are going to demolish and rip apart his eye sockets. Okay, you're going to take out his cheekbones. You're going to take out his teeth. You're going to rip his mouth open, because if you catch him in the jaw, especially if he's talking shit, okay, you're going to rip his jaw right off. Because again, we're taking the tip of this and we're going right across that face. And what we're doing at the same time is using an art we call dumog, is we've got neck control. We never not know where this person is. We spend our lifetime standing right here developing sensitivity. And the bridge of the nose tells me I've got the eye. And just the way he moves his body tells me whether I need to put in a headbutt, fire in a knee, and put in a headbutt, and just keep the tools going. So these aren't things that we do passively. We get obstructions and we get pulled out back here. We have a whole method of getting these things out of the way. And once they're out of the way and we're at the neck, we're just going to move around. We're going to start just taking this person apart. So this is the point when we know when there is this collision, and it's going to happen, and you get into that range, someone's going to go down. Okay? What you want to do is be the person that lives there.